to my channel. Today's video I will show you my 1-month-old blue rim Betta. So some have developed some colors like purple, blue, and cellophane color. So here it is, blue rim Betta, 1 month. I just feed them the live tube effects and a little bit of brine shrimp. So here they are. They're busy having their morning breakfast. And here I transferred some of them from smaller container because some of them have developed a swim bladder, but they are doing great right now. Some have improved. Here it is. I just put them in a small container with a shallow water, not too deep. So some of them have improved. I just feed them after 2 days. Here it is. They don't have any sign of swim bladder now, but I'll keep them here. And here's the other one. So I'm gonna keep them here till I put them on a separate jar. So yes, and I'll keep you more updated with this batch of Betta. This is my first batch of blue rim Betta. So I'll keep you posted as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.